Magandang umaga po, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad. Sir, this is Erwin Tulfo and Aljo Bendijo. We're live po dito po sa Radyo Pilipinas at sa social media accounts ng aming programa. Good morning po, Admiral Trinidad.
Yes, good morning, sir. Good morning, Kong Erwin at Aljo Bendijo.
Morning po. Okay.
At sa mga taga-subaybay ninyo sa
Alright.
programa.
Okay.
Magandang umaga.
Kagabi, I was talking to some friends of mine na mga media and journalists. They were wondering, kasi parang pasok-labas na lang ito mga China Coast Guard. Yung isa, naispatan sa Lubang Island. Lubang Island is nasa Mindoro na po ito. Malapit na po ito sa Luzon na po ito. Yung isa naman sa El Nido, sa Palawan, pasok na rin po ito sa mapa natin sa Pilipinas. Yung isa pa, dumaan sa Tawi-Tawi, Philippine territory na po ito, hindi po sa West Philippine Sea. And yet, wala pong naninita sa kanila. Kung may sumita man, Philippine Coast Guard Radio Challenge, pero hindi po pinapansin. Bakit, ang tanong po ng mga kaibigan ko, bakit hindi ang Navy ang lumapit o sabihin ng Navy, hey, Philippine territory ito, layas. Hindi po ba natin kayang gawin yon, sir? At ito ba ay mag-i-spark ng gera kung sakasakaling tabuyin ninyo ang Chinese Coast Guard sa mga karagatan natin sa loob mismo ng Pilipinas, Rear Admiral Trinidad?
First and foremost, we are aware, alam natin, namomonitor natin na sila ay nandyan at dumadaan. Whether
Opo.
PLA Navy or pangalawa po, they are within our EEZ
Opo.
but outside of our territorial sea.
Oho.
So they have freedom of navigation. We challenge them.
Oho.
Yung ating mga land-based monitoring,
Oho.
nagtatanong, hindi lamang sa kanila, lahat na namomonitor natin, we challenge everybody.
Oho.
Yung iba sumasagot, yung iba hindi sumasagot.
Oho. Oho.
And kung lumalapit naman sila within the territorial sea, 12 nautical miles from the baseline, doon po natin itataboy. And if we look at it, Kong, hindi lang ito ang action na ginagawa hindi lamang sa Pilipinas ginagawa yung action na to. Even sa US, sa Alaskan side nila,
Opo.
even sa Vietnam, sa South Korea, sa Japan, ng Chinese Coast Guard, parang hindi ayon sa international law or alam mo minsan kong na parang agresibo na alanganin.
Opo.
It's a universal nature of the Chinese Coast Guard.
So, pero ito po, hindi po sila sa EEZ, sir, naispatan sila sa Lubang Island. Naispatan sila sa El Nido, Tawi-Tawi. Are you saying na they have freedom of navigation na passing through? Pwede ba yun, Rear Admiral?
Yes, Kong. Yung sa Lubang Island, they were on the western part of Lubang, 38 or almost 40 nautical miles west of Lubang, from Maine on almost 60 nautical miles. So that is outside of our territorial sea, but within our EEZ.
Okay. Yung sa El Nido po, what's this naman?
Yeah. Yung sa El Nido, Kong, that was internal waters natin yon, dumaan sila. Freedom of navigation and or innocent passage naman yon. So long as ang daan nila is continuous and expeditious. Tuloy-tuloy.
Pero challenge natin yun.
Yes, Kong, go ahead.
China-challenge po ba natin? Ang tanong po ni kasamang Aljo Bendijo,
Kahit na
do we
dumadaan
challenge them kahit na dumadaan lang ho sila? Or
Yes, Aljo, yes.
Oo.
Actually, hindi lamang sila. Yung challenge is like a normal procedure. Even commercial ships pag dumadaan, we establish radio contact with them. We ask where they are proceeding, saan nanggaling. And hanggat hindi nagpapatay ng AIS nila, lumalabas naman sa ating monitoring. So we will know if we could match the information in our monitoring and the answer they give back to us.
Okay, all right. Isa pa hong katanungan, Rear Admiral, ay ito raw monster ship ng China Coast Guard abay umangkla na at pumoste na si Skoda Shoal. Mukhang babakura na po talaga nila itong lugar na ito. How do we deal with this ngayon, with this problem, Rear Admiral Trinidad, sir?
First and foremost, ang monster ship has been there on 9, 12, and 14 to 16. So monitor natin yon. This is actually in reaction na inupuan natin or we placed a Coast Guard ship there. Yung Coast Guard nalagay ng BRP on a long-term basis to be able to check kung man-made nga ba yung pag-pile up ng crash coral sa Sabina Shoal. Ang action naman Chinese Coast Guard, pinapatan naman yung BRP Magbanwa doon by bringing in their big Coast Guard ship.
Aha.
At paminsan-minsan umaangkla, paminsan-minsan lumalayag or stationary siya doon.
Talagang
So ang
China.
nangyari, nagbabantayan siya ng BRP Magbanwa sa Escoda.
Nagmamanman din
Ito
sila.
naman ay illegal in the sense that
Oo naman.
hindi na continuous ang presence ang biyahe mo. Dapat continuous and expeditious. Hindi ka dapat tumigil at umangkla for no other reason.
Ayun.
Pero hindi talaga kumikilala sa mga challenges natin, no? Ayaw talaga umalis. Tama ho ba? Admiral?
Yes, Kong.
Oh.
Umaalis naman siya paminsan-minsan and then babalik naman doon.
Oh.
Importante doon is to have a longer presence by the Coast Guard. At yung Navy naman natin, plus yung ating air surveillance flights, ay umiikot naman doon.
Okay. Sir, panghuling katanungan na lamang on my part. May mga lumalabas po kasi na balita dito. Hindi ko alam kung ito ay fake news, real news, or what is this? May balita kasi na nag-walk out daw ang ilang generals sa security meeting ninyo with the president. Is this true or this is fake news, Rear Admiral Trinidad, sir?
First and foremost, Kong, I would like to say that this is not true.
Okay.
It is fake news. It is disinformation. And we deny that it ever happened.
Okay.
Secondly, we would like to condemn kung sino man nagpapasimuno nito. And I would like to say that the AFP right now and the Department of Defense, we are trying to look into what legal actions we could take against perpetrators of this type of things, which are designed to sow intrigue within the organization, Kong.
May nagtatanong po dito na viewer natin. Pakitanong po kung Erwin kay Admiral kung the President is still enjoying the support of the entire armed forces of the Philippines, sir.
Yes, Kong. I would like to say that the chain of command is intact. We fully support the duly constituted authorities. The Commander-in-Chief enjoys the trust and confidence of the entire organization.
Yun.
Ano pong gagawin nyo doon, General, na nagpakalat po ng tinatawag na marites warfare?
Yes, alam mo, Kong Erwin and Aljo, ayoko naman sanang bigyan ng political color ito. Pero we don't have time. And now is not the right time na magpapasimuno ng ganitong kwento. Na alam naman natin na may konting malis behind ito.
Nako, tama po kayo. Hindi natin kailangan ito. Marami tayong problema. Problema natin itong West Philippine Sea na dapat atupagin yung ating security. Maraming salamat po, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad ng Philippine Navy. Good morning po sa inyo at ingat po kayo at mabuhay po ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas.
Thank you, Kong Erwin, and you're welcome too. Likewise kay Aljo.
Yes, sir.
We thank you for your program and we'll keep supporting you. Salamat po.